Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, my name's Jakara. This is Jakara Came Style. We talk about everything style related, including lifestyle. And today I am going to share with you my second part 2 of my bathroom renovation. It's taken me about a month to get it all together. Maybe just a little bit under a month, but I finally got it done and I'm going to share it with you. If you haven't seen the first part of this renovation, then I suggest going back and watching part 1, which I will link somewhere here and put in the description box so you can check that out. And if you want to see how the bathroom ends up, then just stay tuned. Here's just a reminder of what the bathroom looked like before. It still had the same color scheme and everything. It's just everything was so outdated and worn out and falling apart. Like the sink, it just needed repair desperately, especially the floor and all of the fixtures and the tiling.
I don't wanna be alone, spend too much time by myself. So many things that I still don't know. It's time for me to move on. I want you right here, but you're all across the globe. Never call me back, even though you're on your phone. Wishful thinking gets the best of me, hoping that it's still you and me. Yeah, I thought we'd always shine. Just some time off, we'd be fine. Guess that I was wrong this time. When I think about it now, I know that I don't. I do not wanna give you more of my life. I do not wanna give you more of my life. You're just gonna waste it now, not sure if I'll make it out. I do not wanna give you more of my life.
Okay, you guys, this is just me showing you my tub and all the lime scale buildup on it over the years, and how, it's just really gross looking, and I hate taking showers in here. So I'm going to use the CLR to clean the lime scale and all the rust and all that stuff off the best I can, and try to clean it up so that it looks fairly clean. You can only do so much, and this is what I was able to achieve after using that CLR for about, I think I used it about 3 or 4 times in different sections. There's definitely some places where the enamel has chipped away off the tub, which is why I said the tub needs to be resurfaced, and I'm going to be looking into doing that within the next couple weeks. I might try and do it myself, but I don't know if I feel real confident in doing it, but I might try it. I saw somebody on YouTube do it. Now I want to try it.
I'm all in with my mind. Will you ever call me back? How am I supposed to go if we never say goodbye? Reading through our convo, trying to find where it went wrong. Baby, I'll be fine if you text me one last time. Wishful thinking gets the worst of me, hoping that it's still you and me. Yeah, I thought we'd always shine. Just some time off, we'd be fine. Guess that I was wrong this time. When I think about it now, I know that I don't. I do not wanna give you more of my life. I do not wanna give you more of my life. You're just gonna waste it now, not sure if I'll make it out. I do not wanna give you more of my life. Hey, yeah. Oh, I'm not give you more of my life. Movies make it look so easy. 15 minutes, then you're breezing. Movies make it look so easy. Whoa. Yeah, I thought we'd always shine. Just some time off, we'd be be fine. Guess that I was wrong this time. When I think about it now, I know that I don't. I do not wanna give you more of my life. I do not wanna give you more of my life. You're just gonna waste it now. Not sure if I'll make it out. I do not wanna give you more of my life. Oh, oh.
Okay, so starting at the front of the bathroom, I just have my scale here, a wastebasket. Um, this is our like old little basket. I'm gonna replace this with an IKEA cabinet, but I can't get to IKEA right now, and they don't deliver till June, so we gotta keep using our old like storage bins. This is where like I keep like, oh, I have it backwards, but I keep the like my hair stuff, and as you can see, and all of like my toothpaste and all that stuff is in here. But I'm gonna get rid of this eventually. Just behind the door is just, you know, nothing hanging up really. My daughter's shower cap. I had these paintings in here before. They're from Target. I had 3 of them, but I just decided to keep 2. And these curtains here, these sheer curtains, are from IKEA. This is also from Target. I've had this a while. It got really damaged, so I had to repair it, but it's looking pretty good considering it went through the ringer. I'll insert a picture of what it looked like here before. This is the after. I spray painted the doorknobs silver, and I also spray painted these baskets that I had silver. I have the toilet paper up here just because I can't really fit it in there yet. I could like stack it up in there. I might do that later, but it's just some extra towels, feminine sanitary napkins, all that stuff in there, and then some Bath and Body Works like shower gels and lotions and things down in there. Bath bombs, all that is in there. This is a new toilet. I did install it myself, and it wasn't too hard. I have done it before, so it's just a matter of getting rid of my old toilet, which I did, thank God. It was a mess. I kept the same toilet paper holder here because I like the chrome of it. It needs to be dusted off a little bit, but just a paper towel roll. And then this is all new here. I didn't really style it great, but these shelves here are from Target. I thought I would do like an offset one at the top and then 2 stacked ones here. I just have on here like some room spray, a crystal, a diptyque candle, some greenery. Here's my little turtle that I like to put in every room. I'm eventually going to put some more greenery in there. There's really nothing in that basket. And then, like I said, I spray painted these baskets silver because I just like that they were silver and they kind of go with theme here. This picture is from IKEA. I need to get a frame for it. Again, I can't get to IKEA, but maybe I'll go to Walmart or Target or something when I'm out doing grocery shopping and see if I can find a frame for this. Let's see. Okay, we kept this hand towel holder here. I just moved it over a little bit. I got to get some new hand towels. That's what I'm going to do when I go to Walmart as well. And then all of this is new here. This towel here was not here before, and this sink is brand new. I talked about it in my last video, but I'll just show you It has a drawer at the top, and just where I store my toothpaste and skincare and stuff. And then some storage at the bottom, where it's just some cleaning supplies and our hot tools down there. So this medicine cabinet we had before. I didn't want to take it out because it's kind of an odd shape, and Home Depot doesn't really have the same size, and I would have to reconfigure the hole in which it sits, and I didn't want to do that. All I did is just painted the trim of it a corresponding gray color to the gray vanity. Yeah, this whole vanity sink situation is all new. Thank goodness. The one we had before was just falling apart. It was bad. The light fixture above is brand new. I like these bright light bulbs. That's why I went ahead and got this. And the chrome also matches like the chrome here and the chrome on the sink, chrome on the handle. So kept the chrome thing going. And then I tiled all behind the sink. And then here, this is all new as well. The faucet, the handles, even that overflow is new. I got a new shower head. I had to retile this section after the plumber demolished it and roughed in some of the plumbing. So after he did that, again, that's all in the first video, so I won't bore you with that again. But tiling, it's not perfect, but the walls aren't perfect or even, so I did the best I could, you guys. I did the best I could with not ever having tiled anything before, so, you know, what can you say? I just put this holder here for our shower, for our shampoo and conditioner. This is like a command strip to hold our little loofahs. I put this little caddy in the corner. This is new so that we can have our shampoo. I have some more shampoo and conditioner and hair stuff, shower gels, scrubs, all that stuff can go in there. And then eventually this tub will get resurfaced. I just haven't had time to do it yet, and I didn't really want to pay somebody to do it. So I am going to resurface this tub, but it did look so much worse before. I know it looks rough now, but it looked way worse before I scrubbed it with some, I scrubbed it with CLR. And then I did the floor, as I showed in the last video. This is floor pop tiles from Amazon. And they're very easy to deal with, very easy to put down, durable. I just cleaned it up real good, and I like the pattern, and I think it goes well with the whole bathroom scheme, color scheme here. Yeah, so this is it, you guys. This is the fully done bathroom. I still have some little bits and pieces that I want to do, like I said, like putting in the IKEA cabinet here, maybe another one matching over there, just to have a little bit more storage. It is a small bathroom, so I mean, this is the best I could do with my limited knowledge and time. And I think it turned out pretty good. I'm pretty happy with it. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed. I hope you enjoyed the video. Just give you a quick span again around. That's it, you guys. That's it for the second part of my bathroom renovation. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you have any questions about anything that I talked about or any of the items that you've seen here, just put them down in the comment section below. And if you like videos like this, if you like fashion or travel, please go ahead and subscribe and push the notification bell so you know when I upload again. And I would really appreciate having you part of my family here on my channel. And again, what are you guys doing during your lockdown time? Are you doing any renovation projects? Are you doing any, house improvement or home improvement projects? If you are, let me know down below in the comment section, and maybe I'll be inspired by something you're doing. So in the meantime, I hope you have a great day or night wherever you are. I hope you have a great day or night wherever you are. And until I see you next time, take care.